Okay, as you can see, our studio is left. Okay, I have 4 little kiddos who also love to create, but they also don't really love to clean up, which I think is common amongst most people. So if you're a potter, there's probably been times that you have used a foam block of some sort, either for hand building, attaching handles. This is the piece of foam. They were like little 1-inch sections that I cut in, formed a nice about 3-inch block, and I've used this probably since 2015. So this has a lot of wear and tear on it. These are all layered together with spray adhesive to make one big block. And this is very useful when you're handling your leather hard clay, you're attaching handles, you're carving, that you're not allowing it to rest on a hard surface and then create a dent on your piece. So recently I wanted to find something to replace this, and I wanted something other than puke yellow. I picked up one of these on Amazon. This is an 18 by I believe 24-inch 3-inch foam block. This is a standard cushion seat foam. So this is nice and big, not too soft. It has a nice density to it, so that way the pieces can sit on there. If I wanted to carve something like this, I know I can hold it there and rest it on that foam without it denting the other side or marring the surface at all. So this foam is awesome for those types of things. And with the large size of it, you can kind of roll your pieces around, not have to worry about it rolling off the side. So if you are looking for a piece of foam that can help you in your studio, check it out. I'll have the link below, and you can pick them up on Amazon, or like I said, you can pick them up probably at your local fabric upholstery store in your hometown. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any other questions about pottery or those types of things, I am a maker in my basement studio, and I make a lot of stuff down here with clay, but I would love to answer any questions you have. Thanks so much for watching, and stay creative.